Is Nutmeg safe for investing? You've probably seen the ads. Nutmeg. Easy investing. Great returns. But is it really that simple? And more importantly, is your money safe? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Safe investments with good returns? Pick one. And you're not wrong. The financial world is a tricky place, full of promises and pitfalls. But hear me out. Because Nutmeg might just be shaking things up. What if I told you there's a platform that claims to take the guesswork out of investing? A platform where you don't need to be a financial wizard to grow your money? That's what Nutmeg promises. But is it too good to be true? Let's break it down. Nutmeg is a robo-advisor. Fancy term, simple concept. It's basically an automated financial advisor that builds and manages investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Sounds great, right? You fill out a quick questionnaire, and voila, you're an investor. But here's the thing, automation is great for efficiency, but it's not always great for understanding. When you're handing over your hard-earned cash, you want to know exactly where it's going and why. Does Nutmeg give you that transparency? We'll explore that. And then there's the safety factor. Your money is involved. You want it to be secure, right? So, how does Nutmeg protect your investments? Is your money insured? What happens if Nutmeg goes belly up? These are crucial questions. We'll also talk about fees. Because let's face it, nothing in finance is free. How much does Nutmeg charge? Are their fees competitive? And do those fees actually deliver value? We'll look at the pros and cons, the hype and the reality. We'll dissect the small print, and we'll talk to real people who've used Nutmeg. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Nutmeg is right for you. So, is Nutmeg safe for investing? Let's find out. Insert engaging visuals, graphics, and animations to support the content. Understanding Nutmeg, how does it work? First, let's talk about how Nutmeg actually works. As a robo-advisor, it uses algorithms to create diversified portfolios based on your risk profile. You answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance, and Nutmeg does the rest. Sounds simple, right? But what does that actually mean for your money? Is your portfolio really diversified? Are you getting the right mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets? We'll dive into the different investment options Nutmeg offers, from low risk to high risk. We'll also discuss how Nutmeg rebalances your portfolio over time. Because let's face it, markets fluctuate. Your investment strategy should too. Is Nutmeg safe? Your money matters. Now, let's talk about safety. When you invest, you want to know your money is protected. So, how safe is your money with Nutmeg? We'll discuss the regulatory framework that oversees Nutmeg. Is it regulated by a reputable financial authority? What kind of safeguards are in place to protect your investments? And what about the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS? This is a safety net for investors in case a financial firm goes bust. Does Nutmeg qualify for FSCS protection? How much of your money is covered? Nutmeg fees, what do you really pay? No investment comes without a cost. Nutmeg is no exception. So, let's talk about fees. How much does Nutmeg charge? Are their fees transparent? And are they competitive compared to other investment platforms? We'll break down the different fee structures Nutmeg offers. Are there any hidden charges? Do the fees eat into your returns? And is the value you get from Nutmeg worth the cost? Nutmeg versus traditional investing, which is right for you? So, should you choose Nutmeg over a traditional financial advisor? It depends. We'll weigh the pros and cons of both options. Nutmeg offers convenience and low costs. But you lose the personal touch of a financial advisor. On the other hand, a financial advisor can provide personalized advice, but it comes at a higher cost. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. We'll help you decide which option is right for you. Real people, real experiences. To get a better understanding of Nutmeg, we'll talk to real people who've used the platform. What are their experiences? Did they achieve their financial goals? Would they recommend Nutmeg to others? Their stories will give you valuable insights into the pros and cons of using Nutmeg. The verdict: is Nutmeg safe for investing? So, is Nutmeg safe for investing? The answer isn't black and white. Like any investment, there are risks involved. But Nutmeg does offer a convenient and potentially profitable way to invest. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing and you're comfortable with the fees, Nutmeg could be a good option. But it's essential to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.